Life in Italy is not always sunshine and rainbows. We sold everything we owned in Belgium and moved to Italy to start a new life. But after a few months here, one question keeps coming back. How much is this actually costing us to start a new life in Italy? Welcome back to Vista Verde, the Italian dream. People often tell us we're living the dream, moving to Italy, buying 2 old stone houses and starting over in the mountains. In this video we will take you into our life and explaining all costs from purchasing a house to living in Italy. Let's go quickly over the costs of the house because the people of course want to know how much does everything cost in Italy, but also the housing.
How much did we pay?
How much did we pay? We bought our house, 2 houses, 1 ruin and 1 house we're living in right now,
Yes.
excluding the extra land. But for the houses, 80,000 euros. Then extra land, we bought 2.5 hectare, so 25,000 square meters of agriculture land, but now it's a forest. We paid 5,000 euros for 25,000 square meters. We paid 3,416 euros for the real estate agent. We needed to have a translator, 600 euros, and the notary cost 6,200 euros. But that's divided also the taxes for the house and the taxes for the land, no?
Yeah, that's included.
The full purchase price is 95,216.
Yeah.
Which, considering what in Belgium. Let us quickly take you through a day in our life and show you how much everything really costs in Italy, where we live. And it might surprise you. Now a coffee
Yes.
or
We need our Italian breakfast, which is a cappuccino and a cornetto.
cornetto.
Grazie mille.
Buona giornata.
Grazie, ciao.
Grazie.
Okay, let's go home.
How much was it?
5 euros.
Exactly 5 euros.
Yep.
For 2 cappuccino.
2 cappuccini and 2 cornettos. Croissant.
Yeah.
1 with chocolate and 1 with some kind of strawberry jam. Right? Marmelade. 5 euros. Typical Italian breakfast.
Nice. It's wel, maar not so wet.
Oh, yeah. But we are not the only thirsty ones, so we also have to fill up our car. First, let's go do some quick groceries. Hi. So what's the damage? 2 big bags of groceries, 2 waters,
6 packs.
12 bottles of water, we have eggs, we have everything. Total comes to
75.20.
75 euros and 20 cents. So special for our dog Miguel, we bought this buggy. Due to his bad hips, he can only walk for 15 to 20 minutes. But now, because of this buggy, we can take him on our 50-minute morning walks. So we would like to take you on a quick walk around our town. It's a beautiful walk, and it shows you the views, how our town looks and how it feels.
Nu vang ik. Zet. We're going on the last stop of the day.
We're going to get some food in a restaurant. It's a 5 to 10 minute walk. Currently it's the only restaurant in our village that's open. There's 2 restaurants, but one is open and one is not open.
And
Buonasera.
Buonasera. And there's also a hotel where you can eat in the weekends.
Yes, Hotel Panorama.
Yeah.
And they have a nice swimming pool with a
Panoramic view.
panoramic view. I know the water zo.
Ah, the infinity pool.
Infinity pool. So let's take you to the restaurant and we'll show you what a typical dinner will cost.
Yes.
Ciao, buonasera. Sì, amai.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Come stai?
Bene, tutto bene voi?
Sì, tutto bene, grazie.
Tutto bene.
Sì, 2 aperol per come sempre. Sì, grazie.
Pane e patatine fritte accanto o se volete semplicemente al piatto. Non possiamo
Onesti.
Je mag ze echt wel goed.
Yoink.
Er zijn er wel vissaus op gekletst. Hè?
Scusa l'attesa. Grazie.
Molto grazie.
Grazie.
Ciao, ciao. Ah, you want to know the damage?
Yeah, let
So-
us know the damage.
What did we eat? Bieke ate 1 pizza. I ate a smash burger with a lot of fries. We had 2 Aperol Spritz, 1 vino, so 1 glass of wine, 1 Cola Zero. That's it.
Yes.
The price, 40 euros.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. And we can get to walk home with the mountain views.
And leftover pizza
Oh,
for tomorrow.
or tonight. You probably want to know right now, how much does this lifestyle cost us on a monthly basis? So here we go for the numbers. We have average monthly expenses. Shopping, 600 euros. Restaurant, roughly 125 euros per month. Gas, our car takes diesel. It's 200 euros a month average. So for internet, we're now using
Starlink.
Starlink.
Yes.
Starlink cost us 30 euros a month. Perfect, does a good job. Mobile phones and internet, roughly 14 euros a month. Then we have abonnementen, subscriptions.
Yes.
ChatGPT, Netflix, Google Drive, YouTube Premium, 45 euros a month. Our dogs, we have 2 little dogs. They like to eat, definitely Miguel, he eats a lot. 87 euros and 50 cents a month.
Yeah. They have specialized food because they both have some issues. So yeah, we need to buy the good stuff.
Right, so if we combine all that, roughly monthly expenses right now, 1,276 euros and 38 cents, but let's say 1,276. These are some of the costs you generally won't see in videos like this. But it's a bit like the hidden expenses. A veterinary for the dogs, because we had to go twice already. 50 euros
For a visit.
for a visit. To transfer the documents of the EGW.
Electricity, gas and water.
To so to transfer the documents of electricity, gas and water, just to
our
transfer it on our name, 200 euros.
Yep.
Our insurance, it's an important thing as well, insurance.
For the house.
For the house, 384 per year.
And just a small note, that one is a little more expensive because we are here in a very earthquake sensitive area. So that's why it is a little more, I guess. Yep.
It's true. Health insurance, 650. Ew.
For 2 people. Per year.
Per year.
Yeah. We had to get a private insurance because when I contacted the national health company, I don't know how to call it, they wanted to give us the insurance, but because we don't have income, they wanted to give us the highest possible quote, which was 2,000 euros per month. So
crazy.
we took the private insurance.
Yes. Now, Frank the Tank, our car. But so we found an online insurance. I forgot the name.
I don't remember.
If some people want to know, they can just put it in the comments. We haven't needed it yet, so we don't know if it's good. But it costs us 966 euro a year. A one-time cost of 800 euro to put the car in our name. Then our Geometra, plus the Commune for the guest room.
Yeah.
We had to pay the Geometra and the Commune 1,600 euros.
Yes.
Which I find fair enough. It's fair.
The best money we spent so far.
The doors. Tell what did we do with the doors?
Well, we had wood doors over here behind the curtain, and downstairs the entry doors to the guest room, and they were just completely wood. And then here in the living room, there's barely any lights. We have one small window, and we wanted more light, so we had a contractor come over, and he took the doors, put glass panels in, and made some steel or
it's
powder-coated steel.
It's a powder-coated steel. Yes.
Yeah, design, which is very beautiful.
What surprised us the most, do you think? Like for me, it's the price of SIM cards.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing. Yes, for sure.
Because in Belgium we had to pay like 20 euros.
Yeah.
For 20 gigabyte or something like that. And now we're paying 7 euros.
Yes, for 150 gigabytes of data.
For 150 gigabytes of data.
Yes.
What's something else that surprised us?
I think electricity, gas and water might be...
Not in a good way, huh?
Yeah, might be
More expensive, I guess.
The same or more, especially gas. We haven't actually had the bill yet of the gas, but I've heard it from everyone that it's really expensive here. So I'm a little scared.
Yeah. Electricity wise, we had a bill, right? For electricity?
We did.
For the first 2 months?
Yes, I think we paid 150 for 2 months.
Okay, so 75 a month.
Yep.
Average. Where does our money come from? Because it looks like a picture perfect image, selling everything, buying something in Italy, moving to Italy, starting a new life in Italy. I think a lot of people dream of it, but a lot of people are also afraid of money. So right now we are living of our savings.
Yes, the profits actually from selling our house in Belgium.
Yes.
We also had a little bit of savings from Belgium. So yeah, that's what we're using now.
But it's going down.
Fast.
Jesus.
Yes.
Way too fast. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, we will need to find some source of income and of course some financial means to renovate the entire ruin because
But let's talk about the income, because right now we have no income, and that's why our guest room is also very important.
yes.
Because we are hoping, if I'm not mistaken, that the guest room will be able to live from the income of the one guest room to start.
Yes. Seeing that we don't have a mortgage or rent to pay means our monthly costs are okay. And I think the guest room would be enough for those costs.
Madeira? In the next video we will continue the work on our guest room so that it will be ready for perhaps you to come visit us in Italy. So if you want to be part of this crazy adventure we call Vista Verde, consider subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you on board. And if you want to have more behind the scenes daily stuff, check out our Instagram page that you will see right now. Thank you for watching Vista Verde, the Italian Dream. See you in the next video.